bit. Only that bit. In the top bit. That bit.
God, this would happen to me. Are you serious right now? Oh my God, you scared me. Oh my God, this is so embarrassing.
No, you're good.
Do you think you can give me? Do you think you can give me a hand?
Yeah, absolutely.
Gosh, I have a. I shouldn't be telling you this, but I have a gambling addiction, and
Okay.
that's kind of why I have all this money right now.
No, you're totally good. Don't even worry about it. I would definitely want someone to help me.
You're such a sweetheart. Thank you so much for your help.
Yeah, of course.
All right. Oh. Do you think you could just like put the rest in there for me?
Yeah, of course. You know what? There's actually one right over here.
Thank you.
You know what? If you want to break that gambling addiction, I can help you.
Yeah.
You could like spend it on me instead.
Wow, really?
You know? Yeah.
I mean, like, what makes you think I should spend it on you? You know, I love gambling, so what makes you
Yeah.
different than gambling?
Well, I'm just saying, like, I helped you with this, and I'm a good girl, you know?
Yeah, true, because I am one of those guys that hate gold diggers, so I mean,
Yeah.
and you would never steal money from me, right?
Absolutely. No, I definitely wouldn't.
Wow, you?
Can I get your number, actually?
I
Is
mean,
that cool?
don't you want my name first?
Of course, yeah.
I'm
hey,
paying.
Hey, Barbie, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. I actually don't have my phone on me.
Yeah.
I'll just grab my phone really quick.
Okay, yeah, no worries.
Thank you for your help. Gold digger. Wow, I can't even believe this. She literally is taking the fake money and putting it in her boobs right now. Are you catching this on camera?